Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be creating an elegant satin bow fascinator that's perfect for adding a touch of glamour to any outfit. The first step is to create the base, which is the foundation of our fascinator. Then wire the edge for stability, which will help our fascinator maintain its beautiful shape. Next, we will be covering the base with satin fabric. Measure your fascinator and cut out a piece of satin fabric. Sew using your measurements, then cover the fascinator base with it. Before you use your fabric, ensure it is ironed to eliminate any wrinkles. Apply the UHU glue to the fascinator edge, then cover the fascinator with the fabric. Next, create that beautiful gathered pleated effect that makes our work unique. Gather the satin fabric, and I have used rubber band to hold the pleats in place while I sew it together. Sew using needle, and I have used fishing line here, but you can also use matching color thread and needle. After sewing, cut out the elastic band and cut excess material off. Sew it together neatly. Next, sew Sew elastic band or attach Alice band to the fascinator. Then cover the edge with a bias ribbon for good finishing. Now let's move on to the stunning top bow, the crowning jewel of our fascinator. Begin by cutting a rectangular piece of satin fabric measuring 14 inches by 9. Fold it in half lengthwise to create a crease. Next, bring one end of the satin fabric to that crease. Then do the same for the other end. Now fold the entire piece into a bow shape, ensuring it's symmetrical and visually pleasing. Now I have chosen to apply glue, so I have put the glue and then repeat the steps again to create the bow. Insert your needle once to hold the bow in place, then tie it securely with a thread to conceal the stitches and create a polished look. Take a small piece of satin fabric, approximately 2 by 3 inches. Wrap this piece around the center of your bow, covering the stitches. Our bow is ready and looking fabulous. Add the finishing touch to our gathered and pleated satin fascinator by attaching the bow. Using the UHU glue, place the bow at the desired location on your fascinator. Press it gently but firmly to ensure it adheres securely. Then apply a gem embellishment and place it on the bow. And there you have it, a timeless accessory that will elevate your style. Thank you for joining me in this creative journey. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Until next time, happy crafting.